We are pleased to show you the 2007 Cayman. The design of the Cayman models is benefiting of their distinctive sporty character. Their performance potential is obvious at first sight, for these are true specimens of force and athleticism. Individual styling features help to define the Cayman so impressively. This vehicle has less than 65,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: stability control, rear fog light, remote power door locks, universal remote transmitter, cruise control, trip computer, power windows, tachometer, speed proportional power steering. Searching for a dependable vehicle that looks great too? You found it, so stop in today.